A printer status report provides information about your printer and can help troubleshoot printing problems on your HP DeskJet 2600 series printer. With the printer powered on, lift the input tray. Lower the output tray and then slide out the output tray extender. Load plain white paper into the input tray and then adjust the guide so it touches the edge of the paper. On the printer control panel, press and hold the Cancel button for 3 seconds and then release it to print the report. If the report prints successfully, the printer is working correctly. If you are having problems printing from your computer or device, the cause might be the connection, device settings, or the software from which you are printing. The printer status report provides important information about your printer. Easily find support information on support.hp.com using your printer model number. Access the printer's embedded web server by entering the IP address or hostname into the web browser of a device on the same network as the printer. And prepare for replacing the ink cartridges with the estimated ink levels for each cartridge.